So friends, today I'm going to show you a tool that will make your work super easy. You can easily copy math equations, tables, code snippets, and more from Grok, and paste them into a Word document or PDF using Massivemark. Are you ready? Let's start. First of all, open Grok. Ask your question, and when the response appears, scroll to the bottom of the answer. And yes, no need to manually select the text. There's a copy button at the bottom of the response. Click on it, and the entire content will be copied without any formatting issues. So easy. Now, open a new browser and go to BibCit.com. Here, you will find the Massivemark tool. Click on the red icon on the left. Here, you will find an input text box. Paste your copied content by right-clicking or using Ctrl-V. Then press the Insert button. And wow! All the content from math equations to text appears perfectly as it was in Grok. Now that your document is perfect, scroll down and you'll see download options. Choose Download as DocX. If you choose DocX, you can further edit it in Microsoft Word. That's so simple, and all your math equations are perfectly formatted in this document. Not only can you view your perfectly rendered document, but you can also edit your equations directly here to fine-tune every detail, ensuring flawless formatting and accurate mathematical representation. Experience unparalleled flexibility and creative control as you adjust and enhance your equations with ease. If you choose Download as PDF, your content will be downloaded in a PDF file. Every element, text, equations, and tables is flawlessly structured and formatted, ensuring a polished and professional appearance. This PDF document is perfect for sharing, printing, and archiving your work in a universally accessible, visually appealing format indeed. To save your work for later, select Save Later. Your content is safely stored so you can easily return and continue editing whenever you like. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.